Let's start this first routine off with the X-Jog. And 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect. And done. Don't relax yet. The dynamic leg curl is next. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Quick break here. We'll do the jab knee up next. All set? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. That is a great score! Excellent work! We should break here to let your body recuperate. Next routine starts off with the knee side exercise. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And go! We'll pause here. Our next exercise is the squat kick combo. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Quick pause. Let's do the knee side for our next exercise. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1, and go. enough with the knees for now. Let's break. We'll start the next routine with the sprint knee up. Pose like an ancient Greek Olympian. And 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Arms on the beat. Excellent! And we're done. Get ready. Let's do some low leg curls. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1. Go! Get your legs in rhythm. Good! That's right. And that's that. The sprint knee up is next. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Go! Well done. Great score! That's a high-level workout. Take a breather. The next routine starts with the X-Jog. This one's all about the arms. All set? 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Keep your arms up. You're doing great. Tiny breather. The dynamic leg curl will be up next. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and go. Match your knees with the trainer. That's the way. Catch your breath. Jab knee up is next. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! You've done a fantastic job. Keep up the good work to improve your score. Let's rest here. Why don't we start off with the knee side exercise? Here's an easy one that works both cardio and abs. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Good place to pause. Let's up the ante and do the squat kick combo next. And 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, done. Let's see. The knee side is up next. All set? 3, 2, 1, go! Congratulations on completing a flawless routine. Enough with the knees for now. Let's break.